So the most important thing you can do at this point is label your measurements on the diagram. So we're given that n is 21 and side n is 21 centimeters. Side n is going to be opposite angle n. So this will be side n and it's 21 centimeters. We're given that angle PQN, so this angle here is 127 degrees, and we're also given that QPN is 32 degrees. So this angle measure is 32 degrees. And we're looking for side P, which is this side here. And remember that to use sine law, we need an angle measure and the length of the corresponding side and the measure of one other angle or side length. Well, the problem here is we're given 21 centimeters, but we're not given angle n, and we need angle n in order to use sine law. So what we're going to have to do is use properties of triangles that we know, and one property is that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So the angle PNQ is going to be equal to 180 minus the other two angles. We subtract the other two angles. So angle PNQ is equal to 180 minus 127 minus 32, which is equal to 21 degrees. So now we know this angle measure. And so now we can use the sine law because we have an angle measure and the corresponding side and one other angle measure. So we can find side length P. So the sine law we're going to use is going to involve n and sine of n, n and sine of n. So n over sine n is equal to P over sine P. We sub in, n is 21, angle sine of n is going to be sine of 21 degrees. We're looking for P, and sine of P is going to be sine of 32 degrees. What we do next is multiply both sides by sine 32 to isolate P, and we get P is equal to sine 32 times 21 over sine 21. Right, so 32 sine times 21 divided by, and it's going to be 21 sine of 21, so 21 sine. And when you use this use a calculator, you get 31.05, and we were asked to round to one decimal place, so this will be 31.1. So our answer then is 31.1 centimeters. Okay, the next question, what I'd like you to do is find angle GHJ accurate to one decimal place.